Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the topic name called Utilization of Aerial Drone Images for Monitoring. So in our project focuses on automated construction site monitoring using drones and deep learning. The main motivation behind this work is that construction sites are usually monitored manually by engineers. This manual method is slow, time consuming, and sometimes unsafe and inaccurate. So, the aim of our project is to create a fast, accurate, and safe automated monitoring system using AI. So, in our project, we use drones to capture high quality images of the construction site from different angles. So, these images are sent into our deep learning system. The first model we are used is called MobileNet V2. So, this is a lightweight CNN that classifies the construction into four stages like foundation, roofing, and completed and framing. So, then to improve accuracy, we use pre-processing and data augmentation so that our model will learn different lighting and angle variations. So in addition to classify this stage, the project also focuses on the YOLO Wi-Fi. So we are integrated YOLO Wi-Fi, a powerful real-time object detection model. So YOLO Wi-Fi model detects workers in that image and counts them, helping to monitor workforce presence and ensuring safety compliance. So all these results are displayed on a Flask web publication that we develop. The user can upload an image and the system shows the predicted construction stage, the project completion percentage, and the people detected in the image with the bounding boxes. So this makes the system very practical and easy to use for the site managers. So overall, this project reduces manual inspection, increases safety, saves time, and provides accurate real-time monitoring. It shows how drones combined with deep learning can modernize the construction industry by making site monitoring smarter, faster, and more efficient. So now we will move on to our block diagram. So this is our block diagram. First, we are capturing images like drone images. Those images are pre-processed and we are using data augmentations for better accuracy. And then we are classification here we are doing. So in the classification, our MobileNet V2 model is trained for the classification purpose. At last, it will predict the stage the completion percentage with the people detection. For people detection, we are using YOLO Wi-Fi. At last, it will be showed in our web interface. So which is nothing but a web page. So this is the training code we used for the construction classifications. So first we are importing all the libraries and then we are loading our data set. And then this data set are pre-processed and then we are training our data set. For training, we are took like 80% of data set and for validation is nothing but it is a testing. For testing, we are took 20% of data set and then we are loading our model like MobileNet V2. This is a pre-trained model. So with that pre-trained model, we are training with our along with our data set with the epoch of 30. After training, it will store our model and before saving the model, it will test with the 20% of data set. So this is the testing code for people detection. So we have trained our data set with the YOLO Wi-Fi. After training, we got on best.pt. So with this, we are testing our people detection code. For that, we are loading our data set path. And then the images should be .jpg and .png files. If that images is contain these extensions means it will accept or else it will throw some errors. So after loading that images will be pre-processed and then given to our YOLO Wi-Fi model and then our YOLO Wi-Fi model will predict until how many people are detected in that image. So this is our app.py code. This is a code for creating a web page. So we are integrating Flask. So Flask is for creating a web page. So here we are integrating front end and back end through Flask. So here we are setting Flask configurations like for creating a Flask, we are giving some secret keys also. These are the upload folder. This is for if any images like if you test images means that those images are stored in the upload folder file. So here we are creating our database. Our database name is like database.db. With this name only we are creating our database. In our database, what are all the data are stored means like ID, name, email, phone, password. These data are stored in our database. So here we are loading our CNN model for classification purpose. In classification, it will classify into four types: completed, foundation, roofing, and framing with our MobileNet model. So here that YOLO Wi-Fi model for predicting how many people are in that image. So at last in the Flash web page, it will show some percentage of the constructions. If foundation means it shows 25 percentage, and framing means 50 percentage, roofing means 75 percentage, and completed means it will show 100 percentage. And then it will display some descriptions. For the descriptions, we are defining here only for foundation, framing, roofing, completed. For 4 class also, we are defining the descriptions here. So these are all our routers. So here in our page, we have some index, login, register, about, prediction router. So for that router, we are defining here for login, we need to provide email and password. If email and password, if you give means it will go into our database and it will whether we are already registered or not. If we register means it will allow us to predict or else it will throw some error. So before login, we need to register. For registration purpose, we need to give name, email, phone, password. If we give these data means it will insert into our database and then it will tell register successfully and then it will redirect to our login page. In the login page, we need to give email and password. Once if we give email password means it will open our prediction page. So this is logout and about contact routers. So this is our prediction page. First we need to log in. After login, we will select on image. If we upload that image means our model like our mobile net v2 model will predict and classify the construction. The classification that image is given to our YOLO Wi-Fi model. So our best ability will detect how many people in that image. At last, it will tell in our web page. We will see like image prediction and people count and complete percentage and description. This is the command to run Python space app.py app, which is nothing but it is our file name. So once if you run means it will give some link. You need to follow that link. So this is a link. So this is our web page. First we need to register. After registration, we will redirect to our login page. You need to give your email and password. Once if you log in means it will open our prediction page. This is our prediction page. And then you need to click predict button. Then it will predict whether it is a framing, completed, or roofing, or foundation, and it will tell how many people is there in that image. And then it will tell the descriptions and the percentage of the construction. We can check with the another image also. So it is directing two people and they are doing roofing and the 75% completed. Now we will check with the another image. So this is it is predicting completed and people directed is 0 and it is telling the description and at last it is showing the percentage how much the constructions work is completed. So this is our about page. So it's showing what are all the things we did. This is contact page. So here you can contact if you any queries means you can contact here. So this is a home page. So once after login, you can directly predict by get started button. If you click get started means here also you can directly predict